Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm going to be installing a lace wig and I have my hair already prepped to put my stocking cap on. These are some cornrows I did with the twist I already have in my hair, so I'm just trying to make it easier for me. First I'm going to put this stocking cap on my head and I'm not going to glue it on just because, for one, I can do the wig without gluing it on, and two, I'm not going to keep the wig on for too long, so I really don't need to glue it on. The hair that I'm going to be reviewing today is from this company called Eayon hair. So in the box I got some lashes and I also got a pair of stocking cap. So this is the hair that I'm going to be rocking today. I'm just showing you guys real quick what it looks like. It's definitely not pre-bleached, so I'm gonna have to do something about that. I like the ombre color that it has going on. I also like the streaks on it too. I think those really give it a nice touch. I also like that it comes with these nice beautiful bouncy curls, even though I'm gonna be doing my own curl pattern to it. It has two clips in the sides for extra security and one in the back, as do most wigs. So since it's not pre-bleach, I'm gonna go ahead and add some foundation to the root, and this will lighten it up a little bit so it will look more natural. And this is what it looks like after I was done doing that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. My only downfall here is I should have waited until my foundation dries. Because the foundation was still wet, it was rubbing off onto my skin and it was just too much problem, but I ended up, making it work. Hopefully next time I'll wait, but this time I was definitely, moving way too fast. And this is why you cannot do these things in a rush. You have to have time because they do take time. I know when you see it on Instagram, it looks like it's going really fast, but no. This is a process that takes time if you want it to come out right. I'm brushing the sides back to get them out the way so I could secure the front of my wig on. To secure my wig, I'm going to be using my Got To Be Glued Freeze Spray. I really like using this, especially when I'm not planning on keeping my wig on for too long, because one, it holds my wig on so good, and two, it's so easy to come off. Now I'm using a little bit of heat from the dryer to dry the spray on. And I'm going to keep going around the edges in small areas and sealing it on with the spray and dry it as I go along. Usually my wigs are a little bit too big, which I actually like. I'm not complaining. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this extra piece off that's hanging over my ear. I definitely rather my wigs to be big than small, because if it's big it's easier to adjust. If it's small, it's so much harder to work with. As you may notice, I did not pluck the edges of this wig, and this is because I already planned on parting it in the middle and wearing it down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. I'm using the freeze spray to get any part of my edges that may be lifting since I cut the lace off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple baby hair on each side. To do that, I'm gonna use my foam wrap lotion from BTL. Now I'm using that same foam wrap lotion to brush the side of my hair in, and then I'm gonna tie it down and leave it to dry. I'm using my rapid styling strip folded in about 3 to tie down my edges, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add some Pantene on it, and then I'm gonna curl it my way, and I'll show you guys the end result. So this is what it looks like. I absolutely love it. The colors in the front are popping just like they should. It took the curls very well also, so that's definitely a plus. The hair feels so nice and it's not heavy, so that's something I really like about it already. I also haven't been experiencing any shredding, so that's also something to enjoy. It's lightweight even though it looks so full, and that's how I like my wigs. I will link all the information for the hair in the description box below, so definitely do check that out. A big thank you to Eayon here for sponsoring this video. If you find this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. If this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!